What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. आज थोड़ा अलग व्यू दिख रहा होगा because I have sold my X-Pulse 200, not the RC390. I have sold my X-Pulse 200 and bought this Interceptor 650. Crazy. This is fun, man. This machine is fun. So yeah, I thought कि यार चलो फिर से YouTube शुरू करते हैं. It's been long time कि YouTube छोड़ दिया था and now I thought कि चलो let's give it a try again. And here we are with the Interceptor. Yeah. So the visor is closed. Now I'll pull it. Crazy torque. I love this machine here, seriously. Within no time it goes to 120 and 140 is here. And the amount of control it has, oh my god, I don't know. Like I have installed the alloys and Apollo Trampler XR tires. After that, oh my god, the grip is amazing, the stability amazing. Goes like anything, man. Love it. And yeah, this is small aesthetic touch. I'll overtake this car now. See how fast I can go. Close road, open the throttle and let's go. क्रेजी यार, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स गाय से ऐसे क्लासिक रेट्रो गाय बन जाऊंगा यार. सीरियसली, दिस बाइक मेड मी समथिंग एल्स. And after installing the Red Rooster performance exhaust, oh my god. So yeah, there is a reason I would like to highlight why I sold my X-Pulse 200. So I did a couple of trips, Spiti and Ladakh I did with my X-Pulse, the complete circuit. The only problem which I faced with that bike was power. I mean, Spiti and even Leh में भी जब मैं वो गाटा लूप से जब आप वो लेते हो ना शॉर्टकट्स, तो you won't believe एक टाइम पे सडनली ऐसी हाइट पे बाइक रुकने वाली थी और मैं पीछे चल जाता और पता नहीं क्या होता, इंजरी हो जाती. देन I just made my mind कि यार नहीं, this is not gonna work. I need something powerful, something reliable, something जिसके showrooms हो, बहुत जगह सर्विस सेंटर्स हो. Not like Aprilia जिसका एक ही सर्विस सेंटर and if something gets broken it will take 3 to 4 months to bring the part. So yeah, Interceptor 650 ने सारे checkbox check कर दिए थे and now I'm happily riding. So yeah, and I sold my X-Pulse around, I think after riding 13 or 14,000 kilometers I sold my X-Pulse. But that was a beautiful bike. The only thing which I loved about that bike is, first is it was lightweight, second the service was very cheap, and third, that bike suspension. Those suspension are amazing. I have never ridden any bike जिसका suspension उतना अच्छा हो. And yeah, I was even moving towards the NS400 also जब मैं Interceptor लेने गया था. तो NS400 I rode it, it just felt like KTM. Seriously, that bike is a KTM भाई. वो NS400 feels like a KTM. एंड आई थिंक अभी कल परसों एक वीडियो देख के हटा हूँ जहाँ पे ड्यूक 390 को NS 400 ने पीछे कर दिया। कैन यू बिलीव दैट? मतलब मैसिव रिस्पेक्ट टू बजाज यार, सीरियसली। आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे हैव डन टू दैट बाइक, दे हैव इंक्रीज्ड द रेव रेंज और व्हाट, but that freaking bike is faster than the Duke 390. Crazy machine. So yeah, let's get back to this Interceptor 650. Yeah, it's a good bike और अभी मज़ा आ रहा है काफ़ी चलाने में। Let's see कब तक रहेगी, and I hope it stays forever. I still have a plan of buying Xpulse 200, the new one, Xpulse 210, because I still want to learn off-road and, you know, travel with budget. So yeah, I still have a plan. Let's see, by the end of this year or after 3-4 months we might get that, and yes, let's enjoy the ride. Riding at 140, 120, 100 and with this much throttle open. This is not the complete throttle also. Bike is already at 100. See? This twin 650 is amazing, yeah. No stress at the engine. I open it, suddenly it shoots to 120. Suddenly within no time. सीरियसली गाइज, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं RC 390 से स्पोर्ट्स बाइक को छोड़ के एक इंटरसेप्टर पर शिफ्ट करूंगा। सीरियसली नेवर एवर, मतलब एक रॉयल एनफील्ड पे शिफ्ट करूंगा, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था। दिस वाज अनइमेजिनेबल यार। स्टिल आई लव स्पोर्ट्स बाइक, आई हैव अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर स्पोर्ट्स बाइक एंड मैं स्पोर्ट्स बाइक्स को कभी छोड़ूंगा नहीं, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर। So let's see, अभी 390 I have kept my 390, उसमें बहुत सारा काम है। उसमें the insurance is due, the front brake pad, the rear brake pad, the service. This time I'm going with the Motor X engine oil, so yeah, it is going to cost a little bit more this time because 390 RC जो मेरे पास BS4 है उसमें काफ़ी काम है। Oh my god, this exhaust! Crazy exhaust. This exhaust always puts smile on my face यार, seriously. Okay, we can get a good क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, reactions. Guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Take care, bye bye, ciao.